Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot, you'll have to use one of the following combinations that I'm going to show you. So you can either press Windows key with the Shift button and S key all together like this. Excuse me, let me do it once again, like this. Or you can simply press print screen button, which is located right here, and this will do the same thing. Except for, I think you have to first unlock your function keys if this doesn't work. So press FN button and escape button together once, like this, and then press F11, and this will take you to the screenshot menu. So let me start from here. As you can see, this bar appeared at the top of your screen, and here by selecting this option you can take one of the 4 options for a screenshot. So I'm gonna explain each one for you in a while. I'll start with the rectangular screenshot. And to take a rectangular screenshot, you simply have to select an area on your screen, holding the left key of your mouse like this. And once you selected an area that you want to take a screenshot of, you have to simply release the button and the screenshot will be taken. You'll be notified like this. If you click on this notification right here, you'll be able to modify your screenshot using Paint application, or basically using this simple tools at the top bar of your window. And once you're happy with your image, you can save it clicking this button. But if you don't save this image, it will the original one will be saved in your screenshot folder. So to enter your screenshot folder, go to File Explorer, open Pictures, go to Screenshots, and the screenshot, or the original one, will be right here. So right now I'm gonna return to the screenshot menu. Excuse me. I accidentally put it on the full screen. Okay, so once again press print screen button, and then the other screenshot option is Windows screenshot. Now Windows screenshot basically takes a screenshot of a window. So you have to simply select a window and click on it, and then the screenshot will be taken and it will look like this. So everything except the window is excluded from the screenshot, and it basically looks like this. Okay, so the next screenshot option is full screen screenshot. Basically, once you click on this option, the screenshot is taken, and it's simply the screenshot of the full screen of your device, so everything is included. Okay, in the last option is the Freeform screenshot, and basically it's the same thing as a rectangular one, except for you can select any shape on your device's screen and draw it like this using your left key of your mouse. And once you're happy, you can just release the button and the screenshot will be taken, and it will look somewhat like this. You can draw any shape that you like, basically. And that's all for this video, so thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.